Welcome. In this video, I will be taking us through on how to install Python on our system. So let's do this together. First, we go to our browser. I'm using Google, so I'll go to my browser and type in Python download, the enter. I prefer using the first link here, which is the python.org downloads. And here's the official website of Python. If you want to download the latest version, we click this, we get our Python downloaded. However, if you prefer maybe a later version, we go scroll down and just check whatever version of Python you want here. So let's assume we are going for, let's just choose 12.0 for example. Let's say 12.0 for example. Let's choose this. We can see Python 12.0. For us to download this, you can just scroll down and we can see the recommended version, and what we'll do next is just to click download, and here we are, our Python is downloaded. After downloading our Python from the Python website, the next thing to do is to install the Python. Here we have Python 3.12. so what we'll do now is to click this. When we'll click this, we click run. So what we do next is to customize our installation. After customize, we click to path and use admin privilege, then we'll customize. All these are selected. We click next. We add for all users to this, then we allow the rest to remain same. We just allow it like this, then we install. We wait for this. It says, do you want to click yes? This will install. It might take a while, but it will surely install. Take a while. Okay, our setup successful. So what we'll do next is just to close this, and that's all for installing Python for our machine learning and data science project.